What's the meaning of anorexia nervosa? Anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa.
Anorexia nervosa is a serious eating disorder characterized by an intense fear of gaining weight and a distorted perception of body weight and shape. People with this disorder often restrict their food intake to the point of starvation, significantly underweight, and may engage in compulsive exercising or purging behaviors. The consequences of anorexia nervosa can be severe, including malnutrition, dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and organ damage. If left untreated, anorexia nervosa can lead to hospitalization, disability, and even death.